Well, just the word manufacturing conjures up images of smokestacks and assembly lines, but that's really changed. Some industries have really gone green. A matter of fact, more than 150 auto manufacturing facilities are landfill-free operations. New survey results show it's time to take a second look at how industry innovation is creating new opportunities. Debbie Holton is from SME and Duncan Wood is the CEO of Rapid News Communications Group. Good morning to both of you this morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So help us separate a little bit, fact from fiction. I guess what are some of the biggest myths about manufacturing that you'd like to set straight?
I think the biggest myth is that it's a dark, dirty and dangerous profession to get into. It's not a career that students or young people want to take advantage of, which is when you consider what's going on in the engineering and manufacturing space these days. That's a myth we need to smash. It's incredibly exciting. The technology developments are wonderful. The impact on human life and the economy are really at the forefront of those technologies. So.
Yeah, I guess where do you see some of the biggest opportunities in the manufacturing industry right now?
There's so many opportunities really through advanced technology, through the ability to use 3D printing and 3D manufacturing, digital technologies. There's opportunities in aerospace for more fuel-efficient aircraft. And if you think about that in terms of all the planes in the air right now, it's tremendous. Medical applications, through our event, Rapid, we work directly with doctors at the University of Michigan who are printing tracheal splints for young babies who would not have survived. There's just so many ways that manufacturing impacts our lives and our quality of life as well.
Now, I'm glad you brought up that 3D technology because that's really a huge factor in all this. But there's this new partnership between SME and TCT. How's that going to help foster a lot of these advances in 3D technologies?
Well, both parties, both organizations have been working in the space for over 20 years each. And we have a shared mission to encourage the adoption of these technologies, not only in manufacturing today, but also for students coming through. And so our efforts will be placed around advancing the information around these technologies, and also to take it to the market in terms of media, websites, events, so that we can get more people involved and get people to understand the real benefits of using these technologies. Now, it has an ability to give us a real impact on our economy and on our competitiveness as well.
Yeah, you make a great point there, and I'm thinking about the young people out there. What skills should today's students master so they can take advantage of some of these job opportunities in the future?
Well, they need to do their math homework. It starts in middle school, actually, with some of the geometry and things that they learn. But they also need to keep playing their video games because the future's digital, and I'm sure that's good news to a lot of those kids out there. It starts with that inspiration of seeing their ideas come to life through 3D technologies, through 3D printing and 3D scanning, where they're able to take these ideas that they have that we so desperately need and turn those into real products and things that they can see.
Yeah, how about a website to go to for more information?
Best one to start with is sme.org, which is the SME's website. Huge amount of resources on that, and that's probably the best jumping off point.
Yeah, makes sense. Debbie, Duncan, thanks for your time this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.